What is human design? It's a question I get a lot because it's something that I have been obsessed with for myself for the past 4+ years. And I've been on this journey of self-discovery and a remembering of who I actually am for myself, not for anybody else. Welcome, I'm Young Pratt. I'm an embodied business guide here at Illuminating You Productions, where we help you step confidently into the spotlight of the life you know you're meant to live so that you can sing your heart song. If you've not heard of human design, it is a magical system, a magical framework for helping us to remember who we were actually born to be, our soul's calling, if you will. So many of us go through life and we have these dreams as a child, and along the way we were told, oh, you could never make money doing that, so we pursue another path. We're told, oh, well, that's not a very good idea, maybe you should do this over here instead, right? So we follow these paths that other people think would be best for us, and they don't ever mean to do it in a malicious way. They're just wanting us to be realistic about things because that is how they learn to live their life too. So human design kind of takes us back to our roots, our core, if you will, to really remind us of the values we hold to be true, maybe the values that over time we've learned to loosen the reins on because we've been asked to do that, the energy within us that is the creative energy that has been tamped down over time when we're asked to be less of something. And we're asked to be less because it's convenient for other people. And I've learned this by experiencing this, right? Everything I share with you is because I have experienced this, and I want to come and share what I have learned to help you avoid those potential pitfalls in your own life. So human design at its most basic is really just a way for us to remember the alignment and the authenticity we are placed on this planet to bring, right? And alignment is such an interesting word, right? Because if we think of alignment, we can think of our physical alignment, our spiritual alignment, our emotional alignment, right? There's a lot of ways to be aligning ourselves in this world. And what I've discovered is that by aligning our physical bodies, we can better tap into our inner alignment and really bring it back into shape, right? Because over time, our alignment kind of looks like this, right? It kind of goes all over the place. It's a little wiggly, a little wishy-washy, parts of it are over here, other parts are over here. And when we work on our physical bodies and realign ourselves, that has a really profound way of helping us shift and realign the places in our inner world that have gotten out of alignment through this process that we call life, right? It's such a beautiful gift to be able to see ourselves in a unique way and to learn how to best use our energy, how to best communicate who it is we are here to serve. It's a way for us to understand how we can bring our best selves into relationships or into our parenting. There are so many applications of human design, and I personally think that everyone really would benefit from having their human design chart, their body graph, read for the simple fact of reminding you of how valuable and how precious and what a once-in-a-lifetime gift and a miracle you actually are to this world. We sometimes get so bogged down with life coming at us and it weighs us down that we forget that we are all here. We were gifted this life for a purpose. There's someone out there waiting for you right now to show up, step into your power, step into your purpose with confidence, and hold the light for them so that they can come along the path with you, right? That's the most beautiful thing I've discovered about human design, is that my role as a guide, I literally get to shine the light on other people and help them remember parts of themselves they've forgotten, help them to realign their physical beings so that their internal being can also come into more alignment. Because when we are living in alignment, life has this buoyancy about it. We're not feeling like we're being pressed down or suppressed. We're actually floating and bobbing, and when things come at us, it's a little easier for us to navigate those choppy waters. So my friend, with all that being said, I hope you are as excited about human design as I am. If you would like to know more and learn more, please reach out to me. I will leave a way to connect with me under this video so that we can sit face to face, either in person or virtually, and talk about what human design can offer to you, because there are so many profound gifts that are waiting for you on the other side of this experience of getting to know you. Because once you have an awareness of yourself, that's the first step. You have an awareness that something is just not jiving right. Something is just not quite right. Maybe there's something missing. That's how I felt when human design came to find me. I was at a point in my life where I just felt sort of aimless. Like I was just sort of like floating around in the ether, not really knowing what to do, not really knowing up from down. I just felt blah, and as a result, I felt like I had no direction. I felt like I really didn't have a purpose, and I kept asking myself, what the heck am I doing? Like, I've done all these things to invest in myself. Why is my life looking like this? And what I discovered is because I was so out of alignment with myself. I had abdicated my power to other people for so long. I had looked outside of myself for confirmation rather than listening to my internal voice to help me make choices and do the things that were most aligned for me. Not to please or appease others, but that would benefit and feel good to me. So, connect with me down below. Let's have a chat and discover how human design can help you feel more like yourself, more on fire, more on purpose, more you. Until next time, my friend, go out there and shine your light a little brighter today.